How's everybody doing? This is Javon Bilbro. Pretty much I want to talk to you about the opportunity that was presented to me with the MCA Motor Club of America. I think that this is the perfect fit for me. I have recently lost my job due to me hurting my knee. I used to move furniture, also drive trucks. Right now I know that since I signed up already, I have seen what it can do for me. I have a couple of prospects already, and this just goes by the hard work and dedication that I do put into this business opportunity that was provided for me. Just talking to everybody, everybody's really what I want to say is that everyone out here on this earth has a purpose. Find your purpose. Make sure that you attack it. Attack it with everything that you do have in you for this reason only. At the end of the day, when you lay down, you want to make sure that you have done everything in your will, everything in your power to know that you was the best you for that day. Now, I'm not telling you this is not for everybody. MCA is not for everybody. Marketing is not for everybody. But one thing about it, if it is for you, make sure you do your research on the company. Make sure you look at all the benefits that you get. Forget about all that money that they talking about. You can make this, that, and other. What it's about is it's about you providing for your family. Also, it's about you helping your family out with some things, discounts and benefits that really will be useful in the long term. Pretty much I will be uploading more videos. This is my first one. I'm kind of nervous, as you can tell. But the best thing about it, I'm excited to take this opportunity to get this point across to you. That MCA is the way that you ought to go. You can get in contact with me on Facebook, or you can get in contact with me through my email, which will be at the bottom of the screen. And pretty much we can talk a little bit more about the opportunity that I'm presenting you with also. Alright, y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all later.